Okay, so you want to know how to give Robux to your friends. I have the solution for you. The first thing you have to do is go to the main screen of Roblox, come here, and then you have to go to groups down there in the left side. Press it, and then you have to create a group. After you create a group, it costs like 100 Robux. You have to go to that group, like this for example. You press here in store, and then you have to press the button to create a shirt or create a new item to sell. That's what your friend have to do. And then when the shirt is uploaded, you can buy to your friend and you will give it to him the Robux. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next time. Goodbye.